Here we come to the elevator at Parker Town Center Shopping Center in Plano, Texas. I unfortunately ran out of memory the last time I came here, so I finally got a chance to do a much more updated and better take of this elevator. Finally did. This elevator is definitely relay controlled. I'm not sure if you hear the relays. Oh yes, you can. It's got the old bumper. 2. It's like since the door wasn't open all the way. That light buzzing is kind of annoying. This is an older Dover impulse elevator. Oh, the door close button works. I didn't realize it. This is an older Dover impulse elevator. You don't even feel the clickiness. I might go for one more ride. Still the exact same as I remembered. Down to 1. This is definitely an older Dover impulse. Yep, they're all original contact blocks. See, all original contact blocks. This is not the clicky Dover impulse that you see every day. This elevator is totally, completely original. It levels nicely too, and wants to shut. When the Dover wants to close, the Dover will close. And I think it's going to take a while before it shuts up. And there it goes. And that's it.